Day, my peeps. Today I'm doing the traditional Jamaican Saturday soup, and my Saturday soup, is made with pumpkin, chocho, carrots, beans, split peas. Split peas helps to thicken the soup. The split peas and the beans helps to give it the soup body. I also put in cocoa. I put in corn, as you can see. I put in chicken as my protein. So you see, my soup is enriched in protein and carrots and so on. And now I'm gonna put some okra. The okra also helps to give it body as well. So whilst I may not be I'm somewhat of a traditional girl, wherein I still do my Saturday soup. I don't put in the dumpling and the yam and the potato in the same pot. I cook them in a separate pot because I want to maximize the amount of soup I get, because guess what? During the week I don't have any time to cook the soup, and I usually like to get a little soup during the week. And not to mention, my husband loves his soup as well. So, I just freeze whatever is left over and have that during the week. So when I feel for a little soup, I just thaw out my soup and just heat it up, and I am good to go. So Jamaicans, or people on a whole, we don't have time to be cooking every time. So you just cook a big pot of whatever, be it the rice and peas. Those of you who are traditional with the rice and peas and chicken, you're cooking up rice and peas from Sunday, or you're cooking up soup from Saturday, and you freeze it. Don't put it in the bottom of the fridge. It won't last for a long while, So we have to find ways to still eat healthily and with less time in the kitchen. Because if you follow cooking, takes a bit of time to get things ready, and in our busy lifestyle at times we don't have the time to be cooking every day, right? So just make sure that you're cooking up and freeze it, and then you can just utilize it when you need it. Thank you for watching. But guess what? After I put in my okra and so on, I'm just gonna cover back the pot and allow it to simmer some more, because I think my split peas need to pressure some more. So I'm going to give it another 20 minutes to finish cooking. Then I will put in my scallion, my hot pepper, my thyme, my garlic. What else again? And I also put my my celery. So celery is a very good thing to put in your soup. It gives it a nice flavor. So people, here goes my Saturday soup. Thank you for watching.